Tere jälle, head hästi Eesti vaatajad. On siis Eestis kõik hästi? Mine võtta kinni. Osa arvavad, et on, osad mitte. Ja mida tähendab üldse seisund hästi? Tuleb meelde üks vana anekdoot reisilaevast Titanic, kus kapten kutsub reisijad kokku ja ütleb, et mul on teile 2 uudist. Halb ja hea. Reisijad paluvad halva esimesena esitada ja kapten ütleb, me läheme mõne aja pärast põhja. Mis on siis hea uudis, küsivad reisijad. Ja kapten vastab, kunagi me saame 11 Oscarit. Mine võtta kinni, kumb see uudis nüüd parem oli ja kui hea on Eestil igal juhul. Päris kindlasti me põhja ei lähe. Täna stuudios on külas päris mitu kummalist kuju ja nad hakkavad meile rääkima enne vabadusest. Sellepärast, et peatselt on tulemas suur seminar, muuses külas on ainult mehed ja räägivad nad ainult, kas just ainult, aga enamasti naistest või siis naistele mõeldud probleemidest ja suur seminari nimi on Mehe sügavam tõde. Sel põhjusel on ka mul külas üks vaata et ainulaadne mees Eestis, siia maale. Dave Benton, welcome. Kuule Dave, oled juba tükk aega Eestis elanud, sellepärast ma arvan, et mina esitan sulle küsimused eesti keeles ja sina vastad mulle inglise keeles. Dave, räägi mulle, mis on sinu arust vabadus?
It's freedom. It's the ability to live your life, to show your feelings, to show what you would like people to see from you and what you think of other without being afraid of other people ideas about you.
Mm-hmm. Sa olid Eurovisiooni võitja aastal 2001. Tanel Padariga küllap mäletad kõik, mis seal toimus. Kui vabana sa siis ennast tundsid?
Eurovision 2001, that's a clear example of the freedom of your thoughts, how you think. Other people really thought, Dave Benton, you're crazy. You're not going to win this. How can we win this? No, that's the power of your mind. You don't change it. This is your belief. You don't change it. I'm going to win it. I'm going to Stockholm to win it. No other idea. Period. All these months, that's the only thought you have. I'm going to win it. Now, you don't win it just by going there to win it. You win it, but you have to do something for it. What did I do for it? I start to introduce Estonia to all these other countries where I worked before. Send it through. People, I'm coming from Estonia. Dave, where the hell is Estonia? You're going to see it because we're going to win the Eurovision. You're going to win the Eurovision. No, Dave, you don't come and win it. Trust me, we're going to win it. And that's the freedom you have to think like that. As long as you don't drop it, you don't be influenced by other people's thought. If I would have listened to everybody else who told me, no, Dave, no way, Dave, Dave, stop it, we're not going to do it. We could have lost it too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Dave, oled sa praegu vaba mees?
Yes.
Oled sa praegu õnnelik mees?
Vaga. Very, very happy. And it has to do with a lot of things. Again, it has to do with your freedom. Freedom of taking steps for the better. Freedom to think differently for the better.
Sa elad praegu Eestis aastal 2018. Ütle, kas Eestis on kõik hästi või on Eestis kõik halvasti või on nii ja naa? Kuidas sulle tundub, kuidas Eestil läheb praegu?
I have this way of thinking. Even the North Pole can be good and great if you're happy there. If you're a happy person there. If you find your happiness where you are. It doesn't matter of the place. The place is not a part of your existence. Your happiness is. Your happiness is. You find the right person to share your life with. It doesn't matter where you live. It could be Uganda, it could be Alaska, it could be Estonia, it could be anywhere.
Milline olukord on praegu sinu sünnisaarel Arubal?
Aruba is it's a paradise. Aruba is a paradise.
But you're living here.
Because my happiness is here. Because I feel at home here. I feel at home. I have a family. I have my life going on here. So I have no reason to move to Aruba. The weather is not everything. There are other things in life.
Ütle mulle 3 või 2 või kas või ükski põhjus, et olla õnnelik.
Find yourself.
Yeah.
Find yourself.
Find yourself.
Find yourself. Find deep in yourself, dig in there and find what is good for you.
Thank you, Dan.
You're welcome, sir.